In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Lieferando app on Android. This process is straightforward and will allow you to order food easily from your favorite restaurants. Let's dive in. First, you need to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the primary app marketplace for Android users. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you locate the icon, tap on it to launch the store. This step is crucial because the Google Play Store is where you will find and download the Lieferando app. After tapping the icon, you will see a vibrant interface filled with app categories and recommendations. If you haven't logged in yet, you might be prompted to enter your Google account details. Don't worry, this secures your downloads and keeps track of your app history. Once you have the Google Play Store open, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. It usually has a magnifying glass icon next to it. Tap on this search bar to activate it. Now type Lieferando using your keyboard. This is an essential step because it directs the Play Store to display the app you want. As you type, the store may suggest the app below the search bar. This can speed up the process. After entering the name, you should see a list of results pop up on your screen. Next, select the official Lieferando.de order food app developed by Takeaway.com. This is important because there may be other similar apps available. Ensuring that you choose the correct one guarantees you are downloading the right application. The official app will have a recognizable logo and a good number of downloads and reviews. Tapping on it will take you to the app's dedicated page where you can find more information about its features, ratings, and user feedback. Take a moment to verify that it matches what you are looking for. Now that you are on the app's page, locate the Install button, which is usually bright green. Tap this button to begin the download process. This step initiates the installation of the app on your device. Depending on your internet speed, the download will take just a few moments. You will notice a progress bar indicating the download status. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Open, allowing you to access the app immediately. This step is vital as it sets the stage for your future food orders. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded the Lieferando app on your Android device. By following these steps, you can now browse a wide range of restaurants and food options at your fingertips. This convenience can save you time and make ordering food more enjoyable. Don't hesitate to explore the app and customize your preferences to enhance your experience. Enjoy your meals and happy ordering!